Now, if you guys are paying attention to the TOSHI price on the daily time frame, you would notice TOSHI is currently trading around 0.00082. It has recovered, have a pretty recovery since we dumped all the way to 0.00044 for the price of TOSHI on the daily time frame. We just witnessed a massive cryptocurrency crash in 2025. This crash was 4 times bigger than the COVID crash we had in 2020 and also 20 times bigger than the FTX crash we had in the bear market of 2022. Is the crash really over? The reason for this massive crash was as a result of Trump announcing a 100% tariff on China, which triggered the entire market. Over $19 billion got liquidated yesterday, which is like disastrous. We just got a news of an influencer taking his life after losing over $60 million in investors' funds as a result of this crypto crash, which is sad, like seriously. BTC crashed minus 16% when this crash happened. Ethereum crashed minus 21%. A lot of altcoin crashed minus 40, minus 80, minus 100%, and then got a quick recovery. Solana crashed minus 36%. Jasmine coin crashed minus 68%. Toshi crashed minus 54%. XCN crashed minus 33%. And also ZBCN crashed minus 47%. Now, we broke below this very important daily time frame trend line, which we've held above for several days, for more than 100 days. Now, the thing is, as long as TOSHI is not closing few daily candle below this trend line, there's no cause for alarm at all. I still remain very bullish on the price of TOSHI. But the moment you guys are seeing TOSHI break below this trend line, I'm not rolling out the fact that we can still maybe dump to 50% of this week we left behind, you understand, dumped to the 50% level before getting a bounce from there. I'm not rolling out that scenario at all, you get. And also 100% weak retracement is still very possible on the price of TOSHI. If we are retracing 50% of the TOSHI week, then we should hold above this trend line, which is the daily strong trend line for TOSHI. The moment we are holding above there, then we should begin to expect further price move to the upside to tap into this obvious bearish order block, which is between 0.0012 and also 0.0010 for TOSHI. The moment TOSHI is flipping this bearish order block, invalidating it, flipping it into a support, then it's going to be game over for the bears, like seriously. That is when TOSHI will begin to rally aggressively into a new high. So I think the bull market is not over yet, like seriously, it's not over at all. We're going to be talking about that more in this video. If you're yet to like this video, please destroy the like button, share this video with your friends and family. For those new to this channel, my name is Isaac, you're welcome. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on the bell icon to get notified each time I drop new TOSHI video like this. So there's no cause for alarm at all. I'm holding my TOSHI strong. Do not panic sell, do not give the market makers an entry opportunity. The BTC dominance shot all the way to 62%. Fear and greed index is currently at 27%, indicating fear. If you guys are paying attention, you would notice BTC is currently trading around $111,498. We dropped all the way to $102,000 from $123,000. Which was nasty as a result of the US-China crash. Now, if we are going back in time, if you're here to like this video, please destroy the like button, like this video, share it with your friends and families. For those new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe, turn on the bell icon to get notified each time I drop new video. Now, if we are paying attention to the COVID crash that happened in March 2020, you would notice the crash that happened a couple of hours ago is 4 times bigger than the crash we got in 2020. The reason why I think the bull market isn't over yet is because the 2020 was a bull market. You get, when that crash happened was in the middle of a bull market. And when that crash happened, we recovered after 9 days. The crash continued. This is the daily time frame for BTC price. The crash continued for a couple of days and then consolidated few days, in total 9 days. And after that, we recovered aggressively to the upside all the way to 2021. It was an up-only phase ever since that crash happened. The FTX crash was totally different from the COVID crash in 2020 and also the US-China crash that just happened few hours ago in 2025. The reason why I said the FTX crash is entirely different was because we were already in an aggressive, nasty bear market already before this crash happened. That was in 2022. I can still, the memory is still very, very fresh. So when that crash happened, it took BTC more than 58 days to recover. And the crash happened when we were almost at the end of the bear market in 2022. So when the crash happened, we consolidated for more than 50 days before recovering in 2023, which was the beginning of a new bull market. And the one that happened in 2020, which was the COVID crash, happened when the bull market was starting. So the 2020 crash lasted for less than 10 days, while the 2022 crash lasted for more than 50 days. Let's not ignore this week BTC left behind, the week that dropped all the way to 102K. And if BTC is feeling that weak, then the likes of Toshi is definitely going to drop to feel their own week, either 50% or 100% feel of the week. Now, I think the bull market is not over yet until the BTC dominance drops, until we get a final mania phase. Last time, the BTC dominance got a 2 monthly candle pump to the upside was in 2017. And after that 2 monthly candle pump, we had a massive crash which led us to altcoin season. Now, 2021 was different. Now, I think 2025 is trying to replicate the price move and price action 2017 had. And 2017 altcoin season was the biggest altcoin season ever recorded in the crypto space, followed by 2021. Now, as you can see in 2025, we've formed a 2 green candle. We've formed 2 green candles so far on the BTC dominance on the monthly time frame. I think sooner or later we should begin to drop from here. Even if BTC should drop to fill the week, we should just get a slight pump on the BTC dominance and then continue the correction to the downside, continue the bull market. Now, if care is not taken, the bull market, the altcoin season might end up spilling over into Q1 2026. Let's see how it goes. By the time we get to November, we'll get to decide if that is what we should be expecting or not. As always, my name is Isaac. If you're here to like this video, please destroy the like button, share this video with your friends and family, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Peace out.